going to Miss A what we have seen, and she can draw it based on our description. What do you think about it? It's a good idea.
Okay, tell me about the fly's appearance. What was the shape of it?
It was round, striped in yellow and black, had some thin wings, and it had 2 antennae.
Sounds almost like a bee. Could that be right? Guys, do you know which letter in the alphabet B starts with?
B starts with the letter B. B like bee.
Now, let's color the bee. Black. Guys, did you know that bees are the only insects that can produce food that we can directly eat? What bees produce is honey, which is made by bees flying to flowers and collecting nectar, which is then transformed into honey. Yellow. forget subscribe to our channel. Like, comment, and turn on notifications to follow us on more educational videos. Thank you for watching.